Hey guys, whew, you're on to the Narbureau, part 3, art 3, what it calls. Let's look at this new Mario thing. Okay, let's see. I'm so excited about these new games, Sonic Forces and Super Mario. Oh snap, what is this? Looks like Sonic's world, but it don't. It's a different world Mario moved in. Oh! A dinosaur. Let's turn this up, baby. What's that? Oh! Oh my god! Check this out! Check this out! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Look at this! A new world! A new hat! Oh my god! I don't know, this game coming out, but I don't know when. I gotta ask my mom when this game coming out in Sonic Forces. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Are you serious? Oh my god. Are you serious? Wow. Oh my god. This is cool. Okay. Keep it up, fans. Keep it up. That is cool. Oh! You punched him on the face. Oh my god, new bananas, alright. Oh, new outfit. Cool. Oh my god. Wow. Cool. Okay. Alright guys, that was very awesome. Sonic Forces coming out in this game. One at a time. Alright guys, see you later. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. Alright, see ya.